Hey everybody, Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and I'm here to talk to you today about our Deck Restoration Plus product line, specifically our DRP Stripper Plus. Our DRP Stripper Plus is a game changer for anyone watching this video. If you're a distributor and you want to use this, make sure you carry it. It's going to sell the products for you. It's going to work. People are going to be knocking on your door all hours of the day trying to get that Stripper Plus. Social media posts are going crazy. People are posting it with the results just like we got here, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. If you're a contractor and you have trouble getting these the newer stains off, the solid stains, the paints, the alkyds, I could be specific about manufacturers. We know which ones are the hardest to get off. That's why we came out with Stripper Plus. Does not have to be brightened either. So this is just an easier product to use when it comes to removing those film forming coatings. So here we are live on a location where there was some brown solid stain put over the green stain that's on the railings. So we had two coats on the floor. We didn't do the railing yet today. We'll do that tomorrow. We did the floor. There's some brown over here where it's been protected by the soffit, okay? So this is the worst part. We'll show you that as we walk around the deck. When you look at the rest of this deck, you can see how well this came out. So what our goal is to get about 90% of the stain off, sand it up. Well, we can be a hero, and so can you, for your customers. When you can take that 2 coats of solid that's peeling, that's a mess, they use the brown to hide the green, your customers do the same thing. Now you can get it back to natural. Run the sander across here, this whole thing, this whole floor, you're probably talking about an hour of sanding. It's not like it's that big a deal, and then you can be the hero. Follow me around here as we go. Now it's wet over here, we rinsed it off. Showed you over here, you can look back where it's drier, and you can see what it looks like when it's dry. Here it's wet. It actually gets better the more we go back here, we get towards the steps. So as we get towards the steps, even though it's wet, you'll see that most of the stain is off. And you can look down the step at me, and we'll see that everything's good here. We've taken a lot of it off. This is what the DRP Stripper Plus does. There's 2 different types of coatings anymore. There's the penetrating products and the film formers. There's a lot of film formers. There's all kinds of hybrids out there with using emulsification and different chemicals, and people adding urethane content, manufacturers to it, and then don't say too much, which urethane doesn't come off easy. The Stripper Plus does. So depending on the coating, if you have 2 different types of strippers, you can attack any of the coatings that are out there. If you look on social media and other places, people are really having a hard time getting stain off. They get frustrated. Why did we do this? Why did we put solid on? Well, we can remedy that. And we can remedy that with the DRP Stripper Plus. So, if you want to be the hero to your customers, use DRP Stripper Plus. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood for Deck Restoration Plus products. Thank you for watching this video.